Did you know you can swim through an avalanche? Sarah was backcountry skiing when the mountain gave way. 80,000 pounds of snow crashed down at 80 miles per hour. She was trapped inside, but Sarah didn't panic. She started swimming upward through flowing snow. Here's why it worked. Avalanches aren't solid walls of snow. They're flowing rivers of particles. And flowing particles behave like thick liquid. When you shake a jar of mixed nuts, the big nuts rise to the top. Same thing happens in avalanches. Less dense objects float upward through the heavier snow particles. Sarah's body was less dense than the compressed snow around her. By swimming upward, she helped herself rise through the granular flow. The swimming motions created air pockets and exploited the fluid dynamics of the avalanche. Staying buried drops your survival chances to 40%, but staying on top, 93%. Sarah surfaced just as the avalanche slowed. She rode it out on top, then walked away. The mountain tried to bury her, but physics kept her afloat.